Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's been making waves in the world of investments. We're going to dive deep into the world of sovereign gold bonds, an investment option that's gaining popularity among investors. So, if you've ever wondered what these bonds are and how they work, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, what exactly are sovereign gold bonds? Well, simply put, they are government-backed securities denominated in grams of gold. These bonds offer you an opportunity to invest in gold without having to physically own and store the precious metal. Before we go any further, let's talk about why you might consider investing in sovereign gold bonds. Safety and security. First and foremost, sovereign gold bonds are backed by the government of your country, making them one of the safest ways to invest in gold. You don't have to worry about the security and storage issues that come with physical gold. Interest earnings. Unlike physical gold, sovereign gold bonds offer an additional advantage: they pay an annual interest. This interest is typically credited to your account semi-annually, making it an attractive option for investors looking to earn more than just the gold's value appreciation. Capital gains tax benefits. Another significant benefit is the capital gains tax exemption on these bonds if held until maturity. This can result in substantial savings compared to physical gold investments. Liquidity. Sovereign gold bonds are traded on stock exchanges, providing you with liquidity and flexibility. You can buy and sell them as you would with stocks or mutual funds. Now, let's talk about how you can invest in sovereign gold bonds. Check eligibility. First, make sure you are eligible to invest. These bonds are usually available for both individuals and institutional investors. Visit a bank or financial institution. Next, visit a participating bank or financial institution that offers sovereign gold bonds. They will guide you through the application process. Fill out the application form. Fill out the application form, providing your personal details, the amount you want to invest, and your demat account information. Payment. Make the payment using your preferred method, either through cash, check, or online banking. Receive the bond certificate. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a bond certificate confirming your investment. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of sovereign gold bonds. They offer a safe, interest-bearing, tax-efficient way to invest in gold, and they're becoming increasingly popular among investors. Remember, like any investment, it's essential to do your research, understand the terms and conditions, and consult a financial advisor if needed before investing in sovereign gold bonds. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing!